So on top of all the powder coating shit going on in the shop, you guys could probably see some limos back there. Just a dumb little marketplace deal that me and Jesse Toots over there kind of ended up buying. So we're just getting them already set up for the safeties, and Jesse's pretty much done his. So they're very dirty, don't worry about it. But we got a couple cans of undercoat right here and tarp and everything, and we're gonna set the car up and on the ramps. Let's get at it. That's a shorty.
Yeah. I wonder if we should take both.
Yeah, we'll just take both.
I'll take the
Walker Jack. Oh shit. I'm not Jack certified. I'm not Jack off certified. Oh, let's see what we got here. I don't know what those brackets are, but I'm gonna go right on it. See if there's bends or not. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. Just go on the meat axle.
That's good.
Yeah, we're just gonna use one. We're just gonna put jack stands on both sides though.
You're up to the middle. Squeaks. Kick.
Okay, I'll get 2 axles there. To go around the axle, right? You wanna pump it up a bit? Try to go as high as possible. That gives you more room. There you go. Done. You keep the jack back.
2,000 years later.
Okay.
What's going on, Jesse? What are we doing?
Got the limo. Might as well do it.
So Jesse spent the past 2 nights undercoating this thing. Look, he still has black on his face.
Got everywhere. It's still all over the place.
Ruined a couple pair of hoodies and shit. But yeah, she looks good now. So now it's time to put rock lights on her. Nice and black.
Oh, they're all singles. I knew they were fucking.
Yeah, so we actually ordered this. This is like for a regular car. But it just turns out that they're like perfectly spaced for a limo. We might actually put them a little bit closer, so that way the overlap's a little bit better. She just floating.
Oh no, they're self-tappers.
Really?
Yeah. Or
Yeah, those self-tappers. Fuck, they're black too.
yeah.
But those brackets?
Yeah. They come
Oh,
with
like little
brackets.
foams or?
Yeah, because when you put these, they're they gotta go side to side, right?
Oh, yeah, so it's like a plate. Good old Amazon special. There's a remote. Disco party. There you go. Yeah, probably use.
Oh, and there's actually some wires if I need it.
This is like fucking.
Yeah.
We'll have to seal that out. Let's see what brand we're using here. It's like the cheapest of the cheapest. Off-road chassis lights, boys. Make your Jeeps look sick. You know when it's got Chinese lettering on it, when it's fucking
Top of the line.
top of the line. Oh, look, the app's pretty cool though. It's got like a BMW
Never mind.
X3 or i3, whatever the fuck you call those
My
fucking
lights
turds.
were inside. It's the same app for my lights and my grill.
Oh, probably.
Yeah, they were.
There's like 15,000 companies that use all the same shit. It's a free app. You think they give a shit? Where you want that? No.
Hang it off back of the truck when you put the shorty on the lift.
I don't know if it'll hang on.
No, it's gonna fly.
It has to be on like a solid wall. I was actually gonna put it like maybe in a powder coat booth. Shorty's looking dope. Oh, a little peek. A little peek. Go fast parts. Gotta give this thing a spit shine. Put some injectors in there.
I guess there's a left and a right wheel speed sensor. So it had a little tab.
You just change it?
We just grind it up.
I just, because it was on the complete opposite side.
Oh.
I just trimmed it and it
Yeah,
clicks right
yeah. Fuck it.
And then center the sides.
Yeah.
It's just dumb how there's like a little plastic piece. It's like they want you to buy this.
Yeah, they both go in, so the fucking wheel, the speed sensors on this end, they go around the wheel, go in, and instead of just connecting on the harness underneath, it goes through the floor.
With the grommet.
With the grommet, underneath the seat, so you have to take the seat off, and then the connector's right there. Like, what's the whole point of that, bro? Fucking Lincoln.
I guess you don't.
This is actually like one of the, no, sorry, I've bought a lot of Fords. Just a flip, but I mean, this is like the actual first Ford that I buy to keep.
Literally.
And it's like, what in the fuck tarnation is going on here?
Don't make sense.
Oh, did you see the actually pop the hood on this thing. Connected it. The battery's mint. Nothing wrong with it. Look at this. I don't know why I like this.
Me and Dad found a red button in the back.
Like, there's a written rule about alternator pulleys, or actually any pulley. You're supposed to be at least 50%. That's like 10. You see that? What the fuck? I don't know how it doesn't slip. It might slip, I don't know. Because then you look at the other one. See, that one's got, yeah, it's fuck all. But don't tell me, I don't know. I mean, at least the alternator seizes or starts seizing. It's not gonna really do much. Fuck. Like, anyways.
Benzine's a cold air intake, or I mean a supercharger.
Yeah, they make, it's a 4.6. It's got some new parts on it.
Your throttle body.
Yeah. They all run good. Even the other one runs mint.
You got brake fluid?
Yeah, look, it's even got a fucking new ECM. Remanufactured.
I guess it had some ECM issues.
It's got the EGR fucking weird bullshit going on there.
That's gonna get deleted.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna, instead of putting an intake on, I'll just put a supercharger on it. Or just change the whole engine.
I think it needs a Duramax.
Yeah.
There's a perfectly good Duramax right there.
Yeah, right there. What do you guys think? Should we grab the Shorty Max?
Even stupider. That's TDI.
Yeah, we do have DJI actually. It's just sitting there if anybody wants it. $800. We got a harness, everything.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we're doing a little bit of exhaust chopping. We had to fix some shit, but hey, peak the rock lights. So we're gonna fire her up, the old 4.6. See what we got going on here. This thing's usually pretty quiet, so we'll see. Oh, she got a little bit of a roar. Okay. It's not that loud.
It's not even that loud.
No, it just burbles a bit, that's all.
You got a lot of water out though.
No, that's good. That's probably why it's so muffled, fuck. It's got a water muffler. So we're just using the old Milwaukee power. I don't know if that's in right. Well, if it makes sparks, it's good. I might have to put a terminal on here. Just trying to shove them in there for now. For testing purposes? Ah, shit. Oh, lost my battery. Got the old chompers. Oh, yeah. So.
Yeah, we could do that.
Oh, that should work, as long as these fit in there. Oh, they don't. Well, if you force them enough. So as long as you got a little bit, should be good.
One eternity later.
I'm gonna take the lights off, everything's working. Those are pretty bright actually. So that's all on one, or?
Yeah.
So there you go, so there's your answer. So you can do whatever you want. It's all coming off the main feed anyway, so. So because me and Jesse have mad OCD, I'm gonna put a line of tape across the whole limo. And we're gonna measure it and then divide it by, we're putting 10 on both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll put 10 on both sides. And then we'll be Gucci. Doesn't have to be perfect there, we're just making a line.
Who gives a fuck how bright they are? Who's got fucking rock lights on the limo? Not your ass, staying at home.
Oh, fuck. Fucking marketplace deals, man, are getting out of hand.
I think so.
And this is just one. I had to take the other one out today there. I kept walking around and I'm like, fuck, this thing's not even doing anything in here. We're just gonna park it outside. So it's not gonna go anywhere. Nope. Yeah, so we gotta do not as much mechanical on the other one. Just the roof and shit.
You know what?
So
Just chop it.
yeah. Yeah, I'm on the fence what we should do.
I think we're done, buddy.
I think so too. What do you guys think?
Okay, so let's measure end to end and make sure do some calculations.
Calculations. Okay, let's put them on fucking time lapse. Okay, so you already have them on. Those lights. Bro, this is sick. Not gonna lie, I think that's perfect. Because if you put like it's even on both sides, right? That's fucking sick.
It's lower to ground, so you actually don't see them with this one.
No, exactly. Like, cause it's a foot higher than what it's supposed to be, right? It's fucking sick.
Do I have the other remote? Please forward.
I don't have the remote.
It should be in the pack right there.
In the pack? It's all dark as shit. Where's the remote, boys? I don't know where the fucking remote. Oh, let's turn lights back on. Got you shit.
The white though, I may be longer on the white.
Found the remote. This the one? Okay, so plug it back in. Just make sure the remote works. Hello? There we go. Off, on, okay. So then we'll do this. Perfect. And then we'll do, I can't even see the fucking remote. Nice. Blue. Oh! There you go. Going down the road like this, bro. It's a sick. So we're just gonna tie up the wiring, and we got a whole one side done. Those are wired up, or? Nice.
12 seconds later.
Now, if you guys like that video, go ahead and like and subscribe. We're going to keep pumping out a couple videos here and there. But tell me in the comments, what do you guys want to see with the black limo? We don't know what to do with it yet. There is kind of a patch that they did on the roof. I started fixing it, but I'm like, do we just cut the roof off? Do we just make it like a full sunroof? Or do we just use the black one just to kind of maybe destroy, maybe do a durability test video? I don't know. Let me know in the comments and yeah, we'll pump it out.